Welcome to the Catholic Storeroom with Father Paul Wharton, pastor of St. Francis de Sales in Beckley, West Virginia.
Growing up after the American Revolution, Elizabeth Ann Seton was the first native-born American citizen to be named a saint. She was a wife, mother to 5 of her own children, and her husband's 6 younger siblings. Her husband's business interests and health declined. He died while in Italy seeking a healthier climate. While there, Seton came to know the Catholic Church and joined the church after she returned to New York City. She founded both the First Parish Catholic School in the United States and the Sisters of Charity. Throughout all the struggle and hardship of her life and her death from tuberculosis at age 47, St. Elizabeth sought the will of God. This quote could have been her motto.
Be attentive to the voice of grace.
This is what she said about her decision to join the Catholic Church.
I will go peaceably and firmly to the Catholic Church, for if faith is so important to our salvation, I will seek it where true faith first began, seeking among those who received it from God Himself.
Our struggles and crosses may not be as serious as hers, but we can handle them by doing what she did, relying on God's grace.
The Catholic Storeroom, 2,000 years of wisdom and insights. For your free transcript of today's message, please email info@catholicstoreroom.com.